Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on incognito mode on YouTube. So if you're struggling to find the incognito mode, all you need to do, let me just turn the volume down. All you need to do is open up YouTube, and once that loads, you'll see the U button at the bottom right hand corner. Tap on the U button, and then right there at the top left hand corner, it says accounts. You want to click on accounts, and this will begin the process of loading up all your different accounts. And then right underneath your accounts, you can see it says manage your account and then turn on incognito. So you can tap on turn on incognito. It'll go into incognito. You can go there and you can search YouTube. And then when you're ready to turn off incognito, you just tap on turn off incognito, and then it will sign you into the account that you were previously signed into. And that's it. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.